Imagine yourself walking through the vast desert of Xinjiang, China, where today the arid, mountainous landscape seems inhospitable. However, around 160 million years ago, this region was a lush paradise teeming with life, a vibrant world where dinosaurs of all sizes coexisted. The sounds of rustling leaves and the echoes of prehistoric creatures filled the air. During the Jurassic period, this area was dominated by an incredible diversity of dinosaurs, from the giant herbivores grazing peacefully on the plains to the agile predators moving like shadows through dense forests. It was here, in a place known as the Shishugou Formation, that the remains of a small but formidable creature were unearthed, revealing one of Earth's greatest secrets from the past. Its name? Zuolong. The discovery of this dinosaur not only brought crucial information about Jurassic predators to light, but also shed new light on the evolution of a group of dinosaurs that would, millions of years later, give rise to modern birds. In this video, you will be transported on a fascinating journey through the mysteries surrounding Zuolong, its scientific importance, and what it reveals about the prehistoric world. The setting of Zuolong, a different world. To truly understand Zuolong, we must first imagine the environment in which it lived. In the late Jurassic period, what is now known as the Xinjiang Desert was a drastically different landscape. This region was located near the equator, meaning it was a tropical area, covered with humid forests where moisture permeated the air, allowing an impressive variety of life forms to thrive. Gigantic animals like sauropods, long-necked dinosaurs, dominated the scenery, grazing in large herds across the lush plains. These titans were surrounded by a canopy of vibrant vegetation that provided shelter and food. Predators, like the famous Allosaurus, were at the top of the food chain, their prey fearing their powerful roars. However, there were other smaller yet equally effective hunters that also played essential roles in this ecosystem. It is within this environment, filled with competition and opportunities, that Zuolong lived, hunting small mammals, insects, and perhaps even other small dinosaurs. Zuolong was part of a group called Coelurosauria, a clade of theropod dinosaurs known for being agile, intelligent, and relatively small. This group includes some of the most famous dinosaurs like Velociraptor and even the ancestors of birds. However, what makes Zuolong truly special is that it lived long before its more famous cousins, offering scientists a crucial glimpse into the early stages of Coelurosaur evolution. The discovery of Zuolong, a milestone in paleontology. The story of Zuolong's discovery is fascinating and begins in the mid-2000s when paleontologists were excavating in the Shishugou region, a geological formation famous for its fossil-rich Jurassic layers. Armed with their excavation tools, the scientists dug into the dry earth, eager to uncover new secrets from the past. Among the fossils found were fragmented and poorly preserved bones, but they had characteristics that caught the researchers' attention. The remains of Zuolong primarily consisted of parts of the skull, jaws, vertebrae, and some leg bones. Although the skeleton was not complete, the scientists had a gut feeling they had found something significant. After years of careful study and preparation, in 2010, the species was finally described and named Zuolong. In honor of the legendary Chinese generals Wuzongtong. The name Zuolong means Dragon of Zhuo, and paleontologist Sali, one of the expedition sponsors. For paleontologists, the discovery of Zuolong marked an important milestone. It represented a relatively primitive form of Coelurosaur, offering a window into the early diversification of this group. The analysis of the fossils suggested that Zuolong was a bipedal dinosaur, about 3 meters long, with a slender and agile build, ideal for hunting. Its lightweight body and skeletal structure indicated it could move quickly through trees and bushes, efficiently hunting its prey. The agile predator. Unlike many giant dinosaurs that populate popular imagination, Zuolong was not an imposing dinosaur like Tyrannosaurus rex or Allosaurus. Measuring about 3 meters in length, it was relatively small, but that does not mean it was not an effective predator. Its body structure suggests it was extremely agile, capable of running at high speeds and capturing its prey with surgical precision. Analysis of its bones reveals that Zuolong may have been an opportunistic hunter, taking any chance to capture small mammals, reptiles, or even larger insects. It is possible that it behaved like an ambush dinosaur, hiding in dense vegetation before striking. Its physical characteristics, lightness and slender limbs, indicate that Zuolong relied more on speed and agility than brute strength, making it a lethal predator in its ecological niche. Another intriguing aspect of Zuolong is its potential intelligence. Being part of the Coelurosaur group, known for having relatively large brains compared to other dinosaurs, suggests that it could have developed complex behaviors. Perhaps it hunted in groups, cooperating with others of its kind, or had a repertoire of behaviors that helped it survive in such a competitive environment. Zuolong and the evolution of Coelurosauria. What makes Zuolong truly fascinating is its position in the dinosaur family tree. It belongs to one of the most important and diverse groups of theropod dinosaurs, the Coelurosauria, which includes everything from small predators to giants like Tyrannosaurus rex and the direct ancestors of birds. Zuolong's fossils provide evidence that, during the Jurassic period, Coelurosaurs were already diversifying into various shapes and sizes. Zuolong, being relatively small and agile, represents an early stage in this evolution. Its discovery fills a significant gap in the fossil record and helps us understand how these dinosaurs were evolving to adapt to different environments and ecological niches. This early diversification of Coelurosaurs was crucial for the subsequent evolution of birds. During the late Jurassic and Cretaceous periods, many members of this group began to develop characteristics we see today in modern birds, such as feathers and bone structures adapted for flight. While Zuolong was not a direct ancestor of birds, it is part of the lineage that would, millions of years later, lead to the emergence of the first birds, such as Archaeopteryx. This connection between Zuolong and bird evolution is a testament to the complexity and interconnectedness of evolution, showing that even small, agile dinosaurs played vital roles in this process. The legacy of Zuolong. The discovery of Zuolong not only filled gaps in our understanding of Coelurosaurs, but also opened new avenues for research for paleontologists. Its presence in the Shishugou Formation suggests that this region was a true evolutionary cauldron, where dinosaurs were rapidly diversifying in response to environmental pressures. The complexity of Jurassic ecosystems becomes evident when we consider that smaller predators like Zuolong likely formed the backbone of prehistoric ecosystems, controlling populations of small animals and perhaps even helping to maintain ecological balance. Additionally, Zuolong highlights the importance of paleontology as a constantly evolving science. Each new fossil discovery, no matter how small, has the potential to alter our understanding of the history of life on Earth. In Zuolong's case, a collection of seemingly insignificant bones revealed an important piece of the puzzle in dinosaur evolution. This ability of a single find to revolutionize our understanding of the past is one of the most exciting aspects of paleontology. Final reflections. Zuolong Silii may not be the most famous or imposing dinosaur of the Jurassic, but its story is one worth telling. It reminds us that evolution is a complex process, where small, agile predators can be as important as the giants that dominate the top of the food chain. With its discovery, paleontologists gained new insights into primitive Coelurosaurs and a clearer picture of what the world was like 160 million years ago. The next time you think of dinosaurs, take a moment to remember the small but fascinating Zuolong, the dragon of Zua, whose significance to science is as impressive as any prehistoric giant. Its story, intertwined with the vast networks of life from the past, invites us to explore the complexities of evolution and the wonders of the beings that inhabited our planet. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the past, every new fossil teaches us something about ourselves and the world we live in today. Zuolong's journey is a small but vital part of this rich tapestry, and its discovery reminds us that the past is always present, shaping our future in ways we are just beginning to understand. If you enjoyed this story, be sure to share, like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.